Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm just gonna be doing basically a vlog, and I might be showing y'all the tractors we have on the farm. Well, not really the farm right now. It's just at the garage or at the shop. My grandpa's summer shade. Well, I live in summer shade. If I can walk up to the garage up here. We have 4 tractors in my grandpa's. They're not really big tractors. Well, we have 5, but he's selling one of them. But, nobody's ever came and looked at it. There's a cat just sitting up there licking itself. This, switch camera around. 50/50. It's a New Holland. 4-wheel drive. Shuttle shift, which is, I'll show you this thing. Shuttle shift. It's that orange thing right there. So you don't have to, actually shift gears. Like this one right here. It's a tractor I mostly drive because it's the only tractor he ever lets me drive. It's a 41, it's a Ford. As you can see, it's just open cab, doesn't have a cab. And forward and reverse on this one is down here, first, second, oh God. First, second, third, fourth. That's just neutral. We have 2 of these hay rollers, 535 John Deere. Just a regular hay roller. They're good for rolling. And there's the truck I drive. That over there's my grandpa's truck he hauls cattle with. Oh yeah. And the New Hollands, this New Holland and that one over there, have a front end loader. This one's the 4030 New Holland. It's 4-wheel drive. I mean, it has a roof on it for when it rains, but I mean, I wouldn't use it when it's raining because, I mean, the rain's just gonna fly in. Yeah, that was the seat I sat in. See, it has shuttle shift too, forward, neutral, reverse. And there's the throttle, you can push it up to go faster. Yeah, you can see me on my phone. There's the foot throttle, I must use it. It's just like a truck. Front end loader. There's another hay roller, those are the same exact, but 535s. So that's a T4030, T4. My dad is currently over there bush hogging in the field. I don't know if you can hear him on the video or not. That's the other tractor. He restored it last year, last fall. Because the man we bought it off of, he died. And it was my grandpa's friend. And he wanted it to be restored. He didn't want it to be, but I mean, it looks better restored. And here's the last tractor that's up here right now. It's a Kubota. I only drove it once. We don't use it since we're trying to sell it. No, none of y'all are gonna try to buy it. I mean, unless you're up in the farm. It's a 105S Kubota, 4-wheel drive, front end loader. Oh, frick! I about fell. And air seat's so when you go over bumps, it doesn't hurt. It's got shuttle shift too. Front end loader. And there's a Bobcat. It's just, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a 6675, and there's a golf cart that's tore up. Just a real old Bobcat, no open cab. It's open cab. There's the garage. There's my KLX. There's my dad's truck. Everybody likes it for some reason. 2006 Ram 2500. It's got a little dent in the door. It hit the garage. Not that garage. The garage of my other grandma's. There's some hay with a freaking, sorry about that. If it'll zoom in, a cat sitting on top of it, trying to hide. That cat's a wildcat, so it doesn't really like being caught. I'm gonna try to catch it right now. See if I can catch it. little faggot. Faggot. Are you a little faggot? I can see you. Oh, it's weird. It's like a little clubhouse back there. There's the feeder in the background right there. It's not very big. It's for calves. Here's the big bull. He's a friendly bull, though. We can get up and pet him. Me and my cousin, all know my cousin Carter. Pretty big bull. I'll turn the camera around so y'all can see him. See? He's a pretty big bull. And my dad's up there, bush hogging. It's mud. All mud from where we had the after effects of Hurricane Harvey. We got the hay bale loft up there, up at the top of the barn. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll come up on this gate here. I don't know if y'all can see any of that. Sorry if you can't. I doubt any of y'all really want to see hay bales though. Just hay bales. If you've never seen them before, then I don't know where you're at. I don't know why you're watching my videos, because only all my friends watch my videos. Yeah. There's a hay trailer down there. Oh, I keep on doing that. Hay trailer down there. Inside the building. There's the head chute. Sorry, I keep switching the camera around. There's the head chute. Where cows in there. I told some of y'all about the cow that ran face first into the gate because it was crazy. Ran face first into the gate and its nose started pouring blood. I can see everything from up here basically. My dad's truck looks like it has a tail because it has a jack standing out of it. Everybody says this truck is weak because he doesn't boil black coal because he doesn't waste diesel like most people do. You can see a little bit of it right there. Solid black. Switch camera back around here. That's basically it. Some of the equipment's down there at the other barn. I'll probably do another video on it, probably farm tour too. This is my grandma's house. It's a basement house. She likes it. I don't really like it because there's freaking huge spiders that come over the floor. Yeah, like right here, where I jumped, not my dirt bike. I jumped my dirt bike. That's not much air. Jumped my just regular bicycle off of it. See where we're on camera. See where I jump off of this right here. Yeah, it doesn't really go out that far because I'm just holding it with my hand. And there's the bike I was talking about that I jump things with, my BMX bike. My mom's probably like, what the shit is he doing? What's he doing out there? My mom making a freaking vlog. Not a vlog, farm equipment tour. Basically a vlog because it's doing really a house tour too. There's the pool. We swam in it some this summer, but after we stopped swimming in it for some reason it turned green. Yeah, here's the house she lives in. It's in the ground. It's like, this is literally the backyard. It's like, I don't know, like, side by side can barely fit through here. Side by side, whatever you want to call it, razor. Yeah, like you can get up on the house. Like that's how tall the side of the house is compared to me. He put this freaking water pipe back here from where it rained. And my grandpa about ran over it. Met she put it back here. He about ran over it with the side by side. Ranger, whatever you want to call it. There's my dirt track. Well, not my other dirt track. Dirt place I play in. Yeah, so that's basically it. Oh yeah, I got one piece of farm equipment. It's the tedder. Y'all can probably see it from here. The cone tedder. And there's the gooseneck. And there's the post hole drivers back there behind it. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'll show you all the other equipment and where the cows are. That other tractor and bush hog that's doing right now. That's basically it for this video. But in the next video I upload will be the farm equipment tour. Well, not the farm equipment tour, the farm tour 2, which I'm showing the stuff down there. Y'all can get a little preview of it right now. The hay mowers and all the other stuff down there. That's where the barn used to be until, not gonna say what happened. There's the Blazer. Yeah, obviously she likes UK. Well, we like UK. Connor, I know you don't like UK. That's what happened with my grandpa's plant pot. Don't really know what happened to it. Yes, that's probably the end of the video because my grandpa always has the freaking TV too loud. So peace out, guys. See you next.